All right, welcome back, my friends. We are on the last session of Lesson 8 or Unit 8. We're on page 205. We're going to complete the example below, then solve problems 1 through 8. I have Miss Jetson here to help me. Okay, the example says there are 5 rows of tables in the cafeteria. Each row has 8 tables. Maria knows that 8 times 5 is 40. That's as old as Mr. Davis. How can she use this to figure out how many tables there are? So, Miss Jetson, are these rows right here? Is that a row?
I think so. Because rows go side to side.
Oh, okay.
Just like books.
5 rows of tables. Let's see. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 4 rows, 5 rows. I do have 5 rows. And each row has 8 tables. Let's see if there's 8 tables on this row. 1. Go and count with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 tables on that first row. Do you think there's 8 tables on these other 4 rows, Miss Jensen?
Yeah, 8 columns too.
Oh, I like that. What do you mean? Will you explain that?
Remember, because columns go up and down.
Oh, that's right.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns.
Nice. Well, how can we use this to figure out how many tables there are?
Well, I'm a big fan of count by 5.
Okay.
And so I'm just going to go 5, 10. You know what? This is how I show my kids.
Oh, I want to see. Can I see? Miss
You
Stiff,
go like
you should
this.
see.
5, 10,
15,
20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Normally, I don't do it with 5s necessarily because we're all really good at counting by 5s. But if you were counting by 4s or by 6s, it's really good to see what each group of 6 moves up to.
I love that. Thank you.
I got to 40.
Yes.
That's what it says.
That is. Okay. Well, what'd they do with this array?
Pushed it, or they stood it up.
Oh, so they stood it up. They just did. Okay, I see. We have now 5 columns.
Right.
And 8 rows.
Same. Flip, flip.
Oh, that is so cool.
Flip, flip.
So the first array shows 5 times 8. And the second array, turned on its side, it shows 8 times 5.
Exactly.
Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, let's apply it. Are you ready to apply it, Miss Johnson?
Totally.
Yeah. Are you guys ready to apply it? Yeah, Miss Stith, are you ready to apply it?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go and read it together. There are 2 classes of 3rd graders. In each class, there are 3 rows of desks
with 7 desks in each row.
Write a multiplication expression to find the number of desks in both classes together. Show how to group the factors to find the product, then write the answer. Show your work. How should we go about this? What do you think is important there? Should we underline some stuff so we know what we're doing?
We gotta find out what's this problem about.
I think it's about unicorns.
Again? Still unicorns? I didn't hear unicorns.
Let's see. Oh, desk.
Desk. So it's about desks.
In some classrooms.
2 of them.
2 classrooms. Okay,
yeah.
So some desk. Okay.
Okay, so what are we trying to find?
Let's see. Do we see a question anywhere in there?
No,
I don't.
That's
tricky.
Oh man. Now what?
Well,
What about the word how? How?
Oh, okay. I like that. Show how to group the factors to find the product.
Okay.
Well, what are the factors?
Well, now we got to find the important information.
Okay.
There's a lot.
There is. Let's just do it 1 sentence at a time. Is that okay? So I don't get overwhelmed?
Okay.
All right. There are 2 classes of 3rd graders.
There's a number. I know the numbers are always important. So 2 classes.
Okay.
Each class, there are 3 rows of desks with 7 desks in each row.
Oh, I know what's important here. 3 rows of desk with 7 in each row. Yes.
Okay.
So let's see.
Oh, we have to write a multiplication expression.
That's important. We need to do that.
Okay. Oh, and then remember, show how to group.
Okay.
Factors.
Yes, I like that. And factors are the numbers of multiplication.
Right,
correct?
and product is the answer.
Yes.
Okay, yeah, we're
well,
good on
we need
that.
to find the product, so
Oh.
we'll want to, yes.
Okay, all right, yeah.
Okay, so I see 3 numbers here.
All right.
Okay.
2.
And we have 3.
3.
And 7.
And 7. Now what?
Wow. So we have to group some of them together. What do you think? Which way do you think we should group them?
Well, we got to figure out. Oh, it says multiplication, so we got to put multiplication signs in here.
Yes, we do. Very good point, Miss Jensen.
All right. Well, I don't mind doing 2 times 3. That wouldn't be too bad.
Right.
Then it would be 6 times 7. Or that's what I like.
Okay, well, let's do it that way. Let's go and do it that way.
That's how I group them.
So 2 times 3 is 6.
2, 4, 6.
Yes. Or 3 plus 3 because it's 2 3s, right?
Yep. Gotta bring these down. Okay, now what?
Well, I like to do this too, just so I know that I've already done this and we brought it down here. So we have 6 times 7, okay?
Yep.
Oh, I know this one.
You do?
Well, I think, you know what I'm going to do? Because, well, I don't know. How would we solve this, Miss Jensen? That's kind of a big number.
We've been working on breaking numbers.
The distributive property?
And I know that I could break the 6 into 5 and 1.
Well, I like that.
So if I go like this, and I cross out my 6, because I'm not going to use my 6 anymore.
No.
And we're kind of out of room. So I'm going to do 5 times 7. Close that up.
Plus
1 times
7. Exactly. The distributive property.
Yeah, that's totally the distributive property.
And I can skip count by 5. Do you want to do that with me?
Go.
We're going to do it 7 times. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
Okay, but I'm going to go over here because I can't see anymore.
That's okay. So 35, okay.
1 times 7
is 7.
Every time.
And we're just going to add the products or the answers together. I remember this from our distributive property.
We got to put them back together.
We've got to put it back together.
So, do you want to just count up?
Yeah, let's count up. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42.
Boom.
That was awesome.
Okay, now wait, did we do everything?
Let's see.
Write a multiplication expression. Yep. Find the number of desks in both classes together. Yep.
Yep.
Show how to group. Yep. Define the product. Yep.
That is
yes.
awesome.
Wow, that was a lot.
Yeah. All right.